Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So unfortunately, another recall. It seems like Honda can't get away from these things. And I've started noticing that when one vehicle has a problem, it usually rolls over to another vehicle, because this recall is a continuation that they had some time back, and now it's creeping up into another vehicle. So let me go ahead and share exactly what happened out of Honda. So if you remember some time back, there was another recall that affected 60,000 Honda Prologue and Acura ZDX models. Now, if you don't know what those are the Honda and Acura version of their full EV vehicles that they no longer make. It ran a very short time, but even so, they were hit with a recall. And it was the same thing because they kind of shared parts between the vehicles. So that recall had to do with the rear camera housing that had a flaw, and it was improperly bonded adhesive that would separate over time and allow moisture to reach the electrical components and cause images when you put it in reverse to be distorted, blurry, or even blank. Nothing would appear when you popped it in reverse. And it was a bigger issue because it could happen. So say you put it in reverse and you have an image as you're backing up. If it was like maybe you're trying to do a turn on a hill with maybe no guardrail, the image could all of a sudden go black. So you could be seeing something, trying to get really close as you can, then all of a sudden nothing. So you could see how that would be dangerous. Well, so they fixed that problem. But like I said, they don't make the vehicle anymore. So that was a kind of an easy thing to fix. But just yesterday now, Honda announced a pretty good size recall. This affects over 325,000 Honda Odyssey minivans. And if you've been looking around, you know they sell a ton of Odysseys. Very popular van. Well, it affects the 2018 to 2020 model years. And the crazy thing is, it has to do with the same thing. So the federal safety regulators are saying that moisture could get into the camera unit and cause the display to go black while you're backing up, causing a crash. So you can see how that'd be a problem, but it's interesting because it's the same exact thing that happened to the Prologue and the ZDX. So it makes you think, you know, this 2018 to 2020 model years, if way back then, and then you fast forward to like 2025 when they had the Prologue, if it's the same unit that they're using, because it's the same exact problem. And the problem with that is this right here. It's like if you don't ever invest in improving the products you're using, you're gonna have a snowball effect where, you know, one vehicle will have it, and then you fast forward a few years to new vehicles and they use the same parts, they're gonna have the same issue too. The good thing about this is if you have a 2018 to 2020 Honda Odyssey, you can take your vehicle to any Honda dealership and they're going to replace the whole camera unit. Of course, it's free of charge. But like I said, it takes this recall to have Honda actually redesign the camera, because that's exactly what they did here. So now they'll just replace the whole camera unit and it has a properly made adhesive that seals out all moisture. So like I said, it seems like it's every month or so there's a new Honda recall coming out. You know, this one's not one of the crazy ones. I mean, it's something that I can easily just switch the camera out and you'll be good to go, which is important. But you also want to pay attention. If you see things like this happen, it kind of makes you leery of buying a new vehicle if they're just reusing the same parts that they've had without any real redesign. And we know the camera quality isn't that great anyway on Honda vehicles. So I want to keep you guys in the loop on that, because I know a lot of people have Honda Odyssey. So if you do, definitely get it checked out by the Honda dealer ASAP so you can be safe. And it's a simple swap too, so it won't take you that long. So I appreciate all you guys, I really do. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.